So question 2B1, Harun wants to be able to contact staff who have not returned equipment by the due date. He wants to use a standard message which will use information from the database. So, dear Oliver, according to my records, you borrowed a DLP projector, loan equipment 002 on 01/2017. It is overdue by 3 days. It should have been returned 15/10/2017. Okay. So how we can do the query for this is, so now here this Oliver is a employee first name. So you can if you can take the employee table, Oliver is the first name. So then we need the employee table, and you have DLP projector and loan equipment that as a number. So then you need the equipment table, then you need the asset type, and the asset number, you need the equipment table. So then next you need the date out, because this is date out, and that date due back also you need, because this is written by this date. And days overdue you have to calculate. Say days overdue you have to calculate. Okay, because you can see the days overdue mean, say return no means, say now for the example, if you take return no, so these from today, how many days back, so they have taken 2018 up to now, they have not handed over. So that means this days overdue you have to calculate. Okay, so how we can do? So you have to go to create and query design. So you will be adding these three tables together. So now you have added those table. So you need the first name. So then you select the first name. Then you select the asset type. Then you select the asset number. And you select date out. And date due back. Okay. So date due back. And days overdue you have to calculate. And then the thing is that now again you have to give a condition. It should be less than system date. Okay. So future dates still we have dates, no? So it should be less than the system date. Right. Right. So now another thing is you have to make filter this not handover no. So then return should be no. So return should be no. So okay. So return should be no. So that no need to show in your report. So then you can take off that one. Okay, now we are going to calculate the days overdue. So then what I do is right click and I'll make it zoom here. So days, so we type here, say days overdue. So then colon, okay. So then we are going to use a date div function. Say we say date div. So I want the difference between 2 days in days. So I just put D, comma. So when you are giving the date div function, the list date should come first. So date due back, comma. So date due back, comma. Then again, now we have to put the date. Okay. So then we close this bracket. So then we close this. And now you run this one. So there is an issue here. We'll see. Okay. Now one again here. So you have to say date diff, date due back, and system date. So when you run it here, so you can see the number of days overdue. Okay. So this is about the question number. This query is for the question number 2B. So this is for the question number 2B1. So then what you do is you save this as query question 2B, question 2B1. Okay. So we'll do the next. So next part is 2B2. We'll do in the next lesson.